Yan, magandang umaga, tanghali kung saan man
At the
kayo
light,
naroon.
turn right onto King George Boulevard.
Yeah, pupunta tayo ng Crescent Beach. My favorite spot here in Lower Mainland, I guess, for now. Until I see another good spot to relax after work. So, yeah, tayo sa Crescent Beach. Langap tayo ng sariwang hangin sa beach. And we'll see if we can get the sunset and then come home. Tomorrow's Friday, today is Thursday, so there's no calls, like all pending, waiting for parts sa mga calls. But so I did yung online certification ng mga color expert, ganyan, sa PDF, Adobe, CS, Quark Express. Yan, sa online training namin. So magra-ride tayo dito sa King George Boulevard. And then yeah, it's a little busy now because it's rush hour. So we'll have to be careful pagka maraming sakyan. You have to pay attention in front of
Continue on
us.
King George Boulevard.
Yan, dollar cost averaging, DCA, or recurring investment. It doesn't matter if the market is down or up, as long as you're consistently investing, you'll be okay. Kasi there's no emotion involved. Like if you see the market is falling and you wanted to see your investment, tapos nakita mo mababa, then you have emotion to say, oh, I'm gonna sell it, as long as you have, emergency funds, just hold and buy for yung dollar cost averaging or recurring investment. So yun, I think, finally my daughter Nicole finally joined, no? So today's the time. It's better to have your investment now. It's the best time. The best time was maybe last year. Second best was yesterday. But it's good to start right away kasi yun yung time na ma-accumulate mo sa yung interest, yung accumulation ng interest mo is while you're still young, right? So every 7 years they said it doubles up, 7.2 years. So ayan, nag-snowball. But sa una hindi mo malalaman kasi parang I'm not even invested for a decade yet, so it's probably 5-6 years. So I still have to see that snowball effect sa yung sinasabi nilang compounding interest, right? But I'm doing DRIP, which is dividend reinvestment. I don't know what IP is, but DRIP. And then DCA is dollar cost averaging. I'm doing that kahit weekly na, it's up to you how much. Maybe like I say $5 to $50, between $5 to $50 a week if you can afford it. Or there's a daily one, but depends on your
In 500
bank,
meters,
right?
use the middle lane to stay on King George Boulevard.
Kung ilan yung transaction mo sa yung bank. If it's unlimited, then you do daily. Yan. Ayan, may naliligo. Maganda yung tubig ngayon Medyo hazy doon Hindi masyadong makita yung beach. Ibaba tayo. Tikman. Subukan natin yung tubig. Dahan lang. Mainit Yan. Sarap talaga ng amoy ng beach. Alisin natin yung sapatos natin. Sana pala dinala ko yung liwanag, walang mga lumot-lumot Sana pala dinala ko yung aking Crocs. Next time magdala tayo ng Crocs o bili tayo ng Crocs. Sa akin yung mumurahin lang na Crocs Bigay ni Esme. Ewan kung galing Dalarama tayo. But it does it. Pero parang manipis kasi. Masakit pag nasa mga bato na. Pero sa mga bahay-bahay okay lang. Sarap magbabad. Ibabad natin para maalis-alis yung mga kati-kati sa paa. Ito po tayo rito. Yeah. Ayos. May maliit na talangka na magagat sa atin or makain siguro yung dead skin cells natin. Ngayon, dito sa may sakong natin Bili tayo ng Crocs para meron akong parang yung para sa water na sandals, pero hindi ko na makita kung saan. Nasa Prince George ata yun. Bili tayo ng Crocs siguro. Nandiyan na tayo. Nandiyan tayo sa ating sunset. Super night tayo. Ayan. Dito na lang. At next time we'll do some travel and pasyal dito sa Lower Mainland. So punta nyo Sunshine Coast bago mag-winter. Dahil doon